Peptic ulcer. It is the damage to the inner lining of the stomach and the first part of the duodenum. Collectively, it is known as peptic ulcer, whereas it is divided into two parts, gastric ulcer and the duodenal ulcer. This ulceration is produced by the excessive production of hydrochloric acid in the stomach. Stomach has cardia, fundus, body, pyloric antrum. These are the various parts of stomach. The hydrochloric acid is produced by the parietal cell which are present in the body of the stomach. The gastric ulcer mostly is present in the lesser curvature. The stomach has three layers. Innermost is mucosa, next is the lamina propria, and outermost is the muscularis mucosa. Inner lining is mucosa that consists of epithelium that produces mucus secretion and the bicarbonate. These two factors are secretions. They protect the inner lining of the stomach by the action of the hydrochloric acid. The normal quantity of hydrochloric acid is necessary for digestive activity of the stomach. But excessive production that leads to the erosion, damage or pore formation in the inner wall of the stomach and the inner wall of the duodenum, first part of the duodenum. When it progresses, then it penetrates the two other layers and then form the perforation into the peritoneal cavity. So this is the stage when the ulcer is progressive one. The main factor, causative factor is the H. pylori. H. pylori is a bacteria which is present in the mucus layer, mucosa. When it start growing, it damages the direct produces damage by irritation and inflammation in the mucosa. It also stimulates the overproduction of the hydrochloric acid by the parietal cell. These parietal cells, they are present in the body of the stomach. They are under the influence of gastrin, which is produced by the cells present in the pyloric antrum. So under the influence of gastrin, there is overproduction of hydrochloric acid, there is decreased production of mucus and the bicarbonate factors. Therefore, the balance is disturbed and the over and excessive acidity in the stomach that produces irritation, inflammation and subsequent ulceration, that is pore formation, hole formation, cracks in the inner layer, starting from the inner layer and going outwards throughout the layers of the stomach according to the stages of the ulceration. The other factors in addition to the H. pylori, they are the NSAIDs drugs, that is the painkillers which are most